Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a pallu which is a rustic orange color with zari lines. Same orange blouse piece, rust color almost. The saree here is very beautiful design. The rising concept, half white color base with black used for the printing, and the yellow part increases and then makes almost a 3/4 part when it goes to the leg part. Very elegant one. Yellow part is plain and the lower half is completely printed. With the borders, it is in rust base color. Elegant saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A light royal blue color pallu with zari lines and same blue blouse piece. Plain blouse piece with both sides zari borders. The saree here is in a very beautiful concept. Cream with blue prints all over, and the top portion we have starting with green, olive green used, and the green part increases and the printed part decreases, and when it goes to the lower half almost it's vice versa turns. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful tri-color pallu, orange, red, green and yellow is given in the pallu along with zari lines with red blouse piece, mild pastel red color. The saree here is very colorful one, parrot green color saree. With top we have yellow border as well as a half white color with black printing. The borders of saree is in red. Very elegant and attractive color combination and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a tri-color pallu, orange, yellow and red in the pallu with same red blouse piece. The three colors is used for the triangle in the lower half of the saree as well. Alternatively, all three used for the big triangle. The pattern of the saree here is in cream base with prints in top. Very elegant one with triangles, and we have a top with yellow border and the lower half with beautiful multicolor border with silk mark. Thank you. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful saree with pink color. Top portion is completely plain with lower half having half white with blue and pink used for the printing. It is a floral concept prints. The pallu of the saree here, blouse piece is blue with both side borders. Same way the pallu is also blue and pink with zari borders, zari line as well as zari borders. Excellent concept saree in pink, beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, a very elegant acid washed boiled Tassa fabric with beautiful Tassa by Tassa, and we have a pallu that is in pink color here, light shade of pink with zari lines and same pink blouse piece. The body of the saree here is a half white color with black used for printing, mango concept, and we also have blue used inside the mango floral design, and the pallu color is given for the borders. Excellent saree, very different design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Red and orange in the pallu with zari lines, and we have same orange blouse piece with one side red borders. The complete saree is in a light sandal base color with both red and orange used all over for printing. Beautiful design all over, peacock and floral pattern printed, and the saree has a border that is in orange base. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a multicolored pallu, green and blue in the pallu along with zari lines with blue blouse piece with one side green borders. The saree here is in cream base with two colors used for printing. It is a contemporary design, very elegant village, the tribal pattern printed in the saree. Checked wise it is printed with borders in blue. Excellent concept with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, done using pure Tassa by Tassa boiled acid washed fabric. Here we have a body which is black color in top and chessboard pattern done in the lower half fully on the cream base with yellow, orange and pink respectively, and we have borders which is also a Ganga Jamuna concept The top border is pink and the lower border is rust color. All three colors given in the pallu also, multicolored pallu with pink blouse piece. Very elegant saree, comes with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, acid washed boiled beautiful Tassa silk saree with the pallu that is a blue and green concept here with zari lines. Block printed design also in the pallu, and we have blouse piece that is very contrast green, completely contrast concept sarees. The saree here is yellow with top and bottom. We have vertical zigzag pattern prints. Black and red are used for the printing. The border is also here blue. Excellent saree, very colorful with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A multicolored beautiful pallu, pink, green and blue in the pallu with zari lines, and we have a pink blouse piece with one side blue borders. The saree here is in half white base color, a cream color saree with beautiful peacock design blocks. Blocks are very pretty with multi-color concept, green, pink and blue used, and we have the borders in pink. Excellent saree, very classy one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Very beautiful grey and pink in the pallu with zari lines, and we have same grey blouse piece with one side pink borders. The saree is cream base with printing horizontally done, geometric pattern done using both pink and grey color alternatively. The borders of the saree is also given in beautiful Ganga Jamuna concept. Top border is pink and the lower border is grey base. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a pallu which is triple color, yellow, orange and red in the pallu with zari lines, vertical ones, and we have orange color blouse piece with one side red borders. The saree is in yellow, center part completely in half white with orange and yellow used for the mango design. Beautiful weaving, and we have the borders in red. Elegant concept with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a blue pallu with zari lines and block prints in the pallu. Very beautiful royal blue color. The same color blouse piece. Blouse piece also have one side block printed design. The saree is pink. Top and bottom we have beautiful geometric pattern as well as a floral pattern printed using yellow, green and pink. We also have blue borders. Excellent saree, very colorful one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a dual color pallu, black and pink in the pallu. Blouse piece is complete black with one side pink borders. It's a magenta pink shade. The saree is of beautiful concept with borders in black, checked concept. Inside it we have multicolored floral pattern printed, square box style. Excellent design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a brick red color saree with same color pallu, zari lines and block prints in the pallu, and we have same color blouse piece with one side block printed border. Complete saree is in brick red concept with top and bottom. We have very elegant village pattern, contemporary village pattern printed on the half white base using black. Beautiful saree, excellent one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have maroon and black in the pallu with zari lines. And same black color blouse piece with maroon border one side. The saree is maroon in between. Top and bottom we have cream base with checks pattern done using yellow color. The border of the saree is also here. The antique finished zari in black. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful yellow and blue pallu with zari lines. Blue color blouse piece with the yellow border. The saree here is in cream base with multicolor floral design, neem tree leaf pattern printed very elegantly with both sides a blue border base. Excellent saree, very classy one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a orange and green color pallu with zari lines, green blouse piece with one side orange borders. Saree is cream base. The beautiful mango design printed using the pink and orange color. Very elegant printing, and we have green borders on both sides. Excellent saree, very classy and beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a pallu which is a greyish color, bluish grey color with zari lines, same color blouse piece with one side block printed design. Starting of the pallu also have full block printed on the cream base color with bluish grey color. Full saree is in single color with beautiful borders and it comes with authentic silk.